चलने का मतलब हजार चमत्कारों को एक साथ देखने जैसा है. Hello everyone, are you ready to explore the wonder of nature? Today we are going to uncover some amazing facts that will blow your mind and inspire to appreciate the wonders around us.